Hello, I'm Sean Francis, Group Product Manager at Virtek Vision International. Today, I'd like to provide you with a short demonstration of our latest innovation, Iris ActiveTrack. For those of you that don't know Virtek, let me provide a bit of background. For over 30 years, Virtek Vision International has been a market leader in laser systems. Our lasers guide people through assembly and inspection tasks, speeding the work, eliminating errors and rework, and making sure that a consistent, repeatable process is followed. We've put over 15,000 systems in the field that our customers rely on for their manufacturing processes every single day. In 2017, Virtek introduced a laser with an integrated vision system, the VPS-1. The VPS-1 sets the standard for ease of use, accuracy, and reliability. Using the combination of laser and vision, Iris ActiveTrack takes laser projection to a new level in mobility and ease of use. The benefits of laser projection can now be used in applications that to this point have been unthinkable. ActiveTrack is able to project an accurate and stationary shape onto a tool while either the tool is moving or the projector is in motion. During the manufacture of carbon fiber components, laser projection is often used as a tool to assist operators with the inspection of applied boundaries during automated fiber placement. In many instances, the mold used is a large rotating mandrel. With ActiveTrack, it's now possible to display the laser reference for the applied boundary directly on the mandrel while it is moving. This reduces the inspection time, making it much easier for the operator. In the example I'm about to show you, we have a simplified model that demonstrates how ActiveTrack might be used on a rotating mandrel. Of course, ActiveTrack works not only for automated fiber placement, but also for manual layup on large mandrels. Oftentimes, during composite layup, operators work with small tools. Before now, those tools had to be maintained in a fixed position. But this is not the best situation for operators. It would be much more efficient and ergonomic for the operator if they were able to move the part into any orientation during layup. Now, with ActiveTrack, they can. The following example presents a simplified tool and shows that projection positions remain fixed regardless of how the tool is moved about. ActiveTrack has many applications beyond composite layup. This new dimension of mobility can help to avoid shadowing or occlusion with assembly work in confined spaces. It can also work very effectively on assembly tasks where the tool or workpiece is in motion. Thank you for taking the time to watch this demonstration of Virtek's Iris ActiveTrack. To learn more, please reach out to a Virtek team member in your region or check us out online.